In this video, I'm going to share how I'm investing in cryptocurrencies and show you how easy it is to get started and invest your first dollar in any crypto of your choice. I'll also give you a lot of helpful tips for how to think about investing in crypto that I wish I would have had when I got started. Okay, so first off, let me just say that I'm not an expert in this at all. So what I'm going to focus on in this video is actually what I've done and why I've done it and what you could potentially do, but don't consider me an expert in any way. So first off, as with any sort of investing, there's always some risk involved that could potentially lead to you losing some money or potentially losing all of your money. And so it's always good to try to diversify your investment in some sort of way to try to mitigate that risk. By this, I mean investing in different things like real estate, stocks, bonds, crypto, etc. This is how I invest. And if you've seen the video that I made about it, link in the description, then you know I also invest in crypto. The main advice that I have is that if you want to invest in crypto, then you must be ready to lose that money, which is true for any type of investing. So in the beginning, I would say that you should probably start small and just start investing it, start trying things out and learning as you go. And then as you get more comfortable, you could potentially start investing more money. This advice is general advice for any investment, but crypto is probably a bit more of a risk than investing in real estate or bonds. Personally, I invest about 1 to 5% of my monthly savings in crypto. So if the investment goes wrong, it's not the end of the world. But on the other hand, if the investment goes well, you might be able to double the value of your money or your investment within half a year or a year. And in general, it's a good idea to invest your money because if you do it successfully, then you will grow your money into more money. And because of inflation, money in a bank account or cash on hand slowly loses value over time in terms of the buying power that it represents. So investing can actually be a good way to combat some of this value loss so that your money then maintains its value over time. And hopefully with these investments, you can also grow your money over time, which means that your money starts making money for you. And that is sort of a passive income, if you will. Okay, so now let's talk about what I've done and how I've invested in crypto. Currently, my split is looking exactly like this. I've split my investment amount across different cryptos in the following way. Right now, 48% is Ethereum, 36% is Bitcoin, 11% is Cardano, 2.1% is Zcash, and 1.5% is Dash. And so this is the way that I've decided to divide up my investments in cryptocurrency as a non-expert. So I'm not saying that this is the best way, but this is just one way to do it. If you've heard about crypto before, then it's likely that you've heard about Ethereum and Bitcoin as they're some of the most well-known. Bitcoin is the most popular crypto, but Ethereum comes in at a solid second, and it's the best candidate to potentially one day overthrow Bitcoin as the most popular crypto, but we'll see. Bitcoin is also the oldest crypto, and as with all crypto, it makes use of the modern blockchain technology. Because the blockchain gives us a way to both identify and also rectify any sort of malicious manipulations of the currencies. The coin can be obtained either by purchase or mining. Bitcoins are rewarded for completing a complex computational problem. Thus, you trade some energy which the computer needs to run some algorithm to solve the problem, and then the reward is Bitcoins. And Ethereum is in many ways very similar to Bitcoin, but it's also different in a very key way. And that key way is that it allows us to run decentralized applications and allows for something known as DeFi or decentralized finance. This means that you can borrow or lend from your holding for interest. So if you, for example, have some Ethereum, you can allow people to borrow from you and earn interest on that loan that you're giving. And this DeFi technology is something that's not available with Bitcoin, and that's something that some experts think could potentially lead to Ethereum one day becoming bigger than Bitcoin, because DeFi actually improves the real-world application of both Ethereum and also the blockchain as a whole. Okay, so now you might be thinking that that sounds great, but how do I get started and how do I buy my first crypto? So I thought I'd show you exactly how simple that is, because a lot of people think it's really hard, but it's actually very easy. So I thought I'd show you exactly how you can invest your first dollar in cryptocurrency right now. One way to get started is with Matrixport, who is the sponsor of this video. Matrixport is a digital asset management platform designed to allow you to do everything that you ever wanted to do with crypto. And signing up is super simple. Just get your phone and go to wherever you get your apps from and search for Matrixport and download it and install it. And next, open up the app and click sign up. Now you can sign up using your phone number or your email. And after having typed in your phone number or email, click continue and verify that you're actually a human. And then you get a verification code which you should enter. Next, you just have to set your password and click confirm. And that's it, you're ready to go. When you first sign up, you get a lot of different welcome benefits that you can use, but maybe at this point you're not quite ready to start investing real money yet. Don't worry about that because Matrixport has your back. New users get some trial money that they can play around with and learn about the products that Matrixport offers. So let's say that you want to invest in Ethereum, then you can just try how it works with the trial money. So you can either use a bank transfer or a credit card. A cool thing with using a credit card is that you can get a $4 rebate on your first purchase. So let's say that you want to choose this option, then you can just choose what currency that you want to buy and then enter your credit card details. When you use the Matrixport app, there's some features that are directed towards the advanced users and some for the beginner user. So you can just start with the more beginner-friendly products. I really recommend doing your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. So check how popular it is and how volatile it is, which in other words means how much does it go up and down in value. More volatile cryptos come with a lot higher risk, but also a lot higher potential rewards. So make sure to really analyze the past performance of these cryptocurrencies before you invest. There are also certain crypto that can't be mined and are pegged to other things like the price of the US dollar or oil. Such currencies can often be a lot more stable and are thus called stablecoins. There are a couple downsides with the stablecoins, and one of them of course is that with less risk, the possible rewards are smaller, as with anything in life. Another problem with stablecoins is that for a lot of them it's really hard to prove that they're actually backed by a real currency. In the Matrixport app, you can use the stablecoins USDC and USDT. And if you feel like trying some more advanced products, you can try the dual currency product that they offer. The dual currency is sort of a way to invest in a way where you actually take advantage of both the stablecoin's stability and also the Bitcoin's volatility. You invest with Bitcoin at some linked price, and at the end of the investment you get paid out in either Bitcoin or USDC, depending on how the settlement price is in relation to the linked price. If the settlement price is larger, you get USDC, otherwise you get Bitcoin. And before you get started with investing in any sort of cryptocurrency, it can be really good to just get a basic understanding of what type of strategy you want to use and how to manage your risks and how to diversify in a proper way and just figure out what not to do. And a really good article for this is this one from The Times. And once you're ready to start, you can use Matrixport, and they have a lot of really good promotions for new users, and you can actually earn up to $49 from the welcome promotions. If you use your free trial 1288 USDC on a dual currency investment and on a fixed income product, you can earn up to $4. And if you invest your own money in the 30% APY fixed income investment, you can earn up to $30. And if you go on top of that and complete the KYC2 verification, you can get an additional $15. And APY means that your return on investment will be after 1 year. And these promotions are essentially just to help you get acquainted with the different possibilities that are available for Matrixport. And when you're more comfortable with crypto, you can try more advanced products like the new Range Sniper product, which is designed to help people buy Bitcoin at the lowest price or to make a bit extra with stablecoins. And for maximum profit, you can hope that the Bitcoin settlement prices increase within a specific range and get an APY of up to 261.72%. And if you're like me and you've invested a lot in Ethereum, then you might also want to check out some of the products that Matrixport offers for DeFi, which I talked a little bit about earlier. This is probably something for the more advanced user, but if you're interested, you could read a bit about it before trying it out. You can read more about Matrixport on their website and see the wide variety of products that they have. I hope this video has given you some basic information about what crypto is and how you can buy it, and also how apps like Matrixport can help you make your investments a lot easier. But anyway, remember that I'm not an expert at all, so don't take my advice as like the gold standard or anything like that for how to invest in cryptocurrencies. This is just what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and how I'm thinking about it. And this video is meant to just show you that, and also to help you get started investing your first dollar in cryptocurrency, and kind of show you how easy it can be to actually invest your first dollar, because I know a lot of people think that that's super difficult when in fact it actually isn't. So yeah, whether you start investing in cryptocurrency, that's totally up to you. I think investing in general is something that you should get into and start practicing, because the earlier you start, the better. And I think it's a really good skill to have in life in general, to just be able to learn about investing, essentially. Anyway, that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.